Welcome back to a new video, guys. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new smoke alarm I got from store today. I actually have one of these since before, but I'm kind of curious to see if this one has a different tone than one I currently have. I'm just gonna show that this is what this one sounds like. So let's open it up. Okay, it's a little bit iffy. Look, here it is. Here's the things to mount it is in the roof here. Just have to take off the mounting bracket to get out the battery. Here. Sorry, I'll pause the recording until I have gotten the mounting bracket off. So guys, my mom has helped me get the mounting bracket off, and as you can probably see, and here's the battery. Let's open it up. I actually have this kind of battery in this smoke alarm. They're gonna think, what the frick is he doing in there? Anyway, let's open it up. Or, I mean, get the plastic off. Alright, I'm gonna try to turn my head a little more so you can see what I'm doing. Now let's get this wire out and let's connect the battery. Oh, just flashed. Oh my gosh, it does not really want to get on. Never mind. It's on. Oh my gosh, come on. Also cooperated with getting back in. Anyway, let's test it and see what it sounds like. Oh! It did have a different tone. Anyway, I'll go into my mom so she can fix this. I'll be right back. So guys, now the mounting bracket is on. Bracket is on after all. Anyway, let me just check these things out. These are mounted in the roof with, but I don't want to do it. Anyway, once again, this is what it sounds like. This is what my first one sounded like. Let's see what these two sound like when combined together. Sounds like a Wheelock fire alarm to me. Let's do it again. Out of sync. That's it. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss more future videos from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.